In this video, I show you how to remove the background in Photoshop. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide. Firstly, you need to open up Photoshop and add the image which you want to go and remove the background of. Then what you want to do is go to the bottom right and make sure layers is selected, and just make sure the image isn't set as the background layer. If it is, just go and tap on the padlock like so, and it's going to go and unlock it. Then what you want to do is come above this to the properties window here. However, if you don't have the properties window here, then don't worry. All you need to do is go to the top left of Photoshop. We've got all these different options here, and then tap on window and go and select properties down here. Then once that's selected, it should now appear on the right hand side here. So just tap on properties and make sure you've got the layer selected, which you want to go and remove the background of. In this case, it's this one here. Then what you'll need to do is scroll down. Now, if you'll stop scrolling down like mine, what you'll need to do is go and tap on edit contents like so, and you may go and get a pop-up, don't worry. And now we're going and changing the properties. Now, actually it's going to convert it to a background layer now. So I'll need to go and unlock it by pressing that padlock. Then what you need to do is scroll down until you go and see this section called quick actions. And in this, as you can see, we've then got the option for remove background. You may need to go and expand the quick actions section like so. Once it is, then you can just tap on remove background like so, and it's going to go in circle, and just like that, it's now gone and removed it. You may find that Photoshop hasn't removed all of the background, or you may go and find that it's removed too much. To go and edit that, all you need to do is make sure this is selected, then go to the top left and go and tap on select. And then what you need to do is go and tap on select and mask like so, and then it's going to take a moment and we're going to get some tools here. Now, what we need to do is go to the top right and go to increase the transparency completely so it completely removes the background, and we can go and see everything is gone and missed. So just make sure it's 100%. Then what you need to do is go to the top left, just like so. And as you can see, we've got a few different options here. So what you can go and use is the quick selection tool, or you can go and use the lasso tool or the polygonal lasso tool. So if I go and look around my face here, as you can see, it has missed a bit. So I'm going to go and zoom in using Control and the plus on my keyboard. And I'm just going to go and get a bit closer to my face here. And just before we go and select anything, what you need to do is go right to the top left. And as you can see, we've got these two options here. If you hover your mouse over it, it's going to go and say add to selection or go and subtract from selection. So because we want to go and subtract more stuff, you need to click this option here. And then what I'm going to do is just go and start clicking like so. And as you can see, we're now sort of creating an outline of what we want to go and subtract. So I'm just going to do this piece like this, then go and create a circuit and double tap, and boom, it's now gone and deleted it. And then once you're happy with it, you can go and tap OK in the bottom right like so. And that's it, it's now gone and I have removed the background completely. And of course I can make further edits if I'd like.